option alter text, comments. I wish. Adjustment, we do not need, we are going to do the, so, no. So, multiple way you can do this. One is like insert, right? And draw something, some example, right? You're drawing something. So you want to draw a insert, draw, and then shape or something, right? So you can write something as well, right? Edit text, change here. Okay. And you can do whatever all you want to do. Even close. Let's go. You just do this. I show you this part is good. Let's see. You go to the format options, text wrapping, and then 1 second. Then the text. Okay, let's go see. Now, text wrapping. Let's say inline text, in front of text. Okay, so now you can actually move anywhere. Identified. So that's another one. One of the ways UI UX designer will give you everything because they are actually the work with the business as well. And otherwise you just can identify like this. Good. But end goal is you have to explain, present something, other people, the developer team, developer and QA can understand so they can get the work done. Okay. Good question. Did you guys understand this?
Yes.
Maria, did you understand this?
Yes, but like, I don't know how to do that format. You just did.
Sure. Insert. Yeah, that's the reason video is recorded. Insert, drawing, new draw, and you can take whatever you want, right? Right? And then you write whatever you want, save and close. Number 2 step. Number 3 step is just in front of the text.
You did paste without formatting. No, I mean, what did you click to get there?
Click insert.
Not this one, not this one. When you did the format, wrap text.
Oh, here, when you click it, it will bring right away text wrapping.
Okay.
In front of the, you do in front of the text, then you can move anywhere. Good. So like there is so many the image editing software. This is one of the software you can learn easily. You can just learn because Word documents, knowing the word is important for you, and some basic editing is important for you. This part of the actually the work. The next one is important. Open the Glyphy. Open the Glyphy account. Then actually Glyphy you can do everything actually do it. Many times you do this. So open the Glyphy. Glyphy is a free version. You can use the Glyphy, then you can do as well. Good. Another is soon we'll be using the conference, Jira. So Jira has that like this too. Good. So Jira has a software development, project management. Jira has a documentation part, which is conference. So you can do everything there as well.
Editing and all that.
Actually, write the whole business requirements, not the user story, business requirements like this in the documentation. Business Jira, you just copy and paste there so that people can see. Good. So Jira can do a lot of things as well. But the goal is the documentation. Any question on it? No question, right? So you guys understand how it works?
Yeah.
Okay. So now understanding something and doing something is different. Make sure you guys you do it very actually do it. Only way you can learn things when you do it. There is no alternative way you can learn or you can produce anything.
Practice is the best way to do it.
Yes. Good. So everything is showing. The only way you do it, then I can help you to fix it. But if I do it, everything you do not do anything, it will not bring the end results. Do you guys agree with me?
Yes.
Okay, sounds good. So Glyphy is one to do this. Word documents is another way to do this. And then like editing is another way to do this. So you are able to work regardless of your situation, regardless of the tools.
Windows Connect.
Exactly. Any question on it? No. So I am highly recommending you look up this like the functionality, finding as many bugs as possible and the create as many user stories as possible. We cannot come back here. You guys will see all these bugs holding for you guys. Because I have already list. I'm not going to give my list to you. It will not be helping. Because we have our own list. We are making all the list. But we just list, reading the user story, and then submit to us. Developer will get it. We will be prioritizing, we will be developing, and it will be like a go to the staging. You can verify yourself. Remember I said why you need to know the basic verification? Why? So then QA will be asking you as well. Developer will be asking you as well, remember? That's the reason. And then developer will show you, oh, this is the API has been changed. They will tell you, but this is the API has been changed. This has been changed. That's going to expose you API, remember? So this is the best one. Okay, any question on it? You guys actually can write the create the wiki page as well. So if you guys do not want to do the Word document, you can actually manage that too. Yeah. Wiki page, then you can, yeah, here you can do. Here you can do actually. You don't need to do. Yeah. Yes. So again, it just that's the or you can just simply do that and you can attach it. Wiki page is like a writing the information what you want. Got it? So how many things we have done? So one thing I'm actually looking for, you guys are not giving any presentation. Fozia, one thing I would like to share with you guys, once one group is done, you're actually the golden time in your group. If you listen, then the other group, you have to continue doing that as well. So do not lose the momentum. Do as much best as possible. Do the like a couple short here. And the first, if you see there is a lot of like a work, and you can actually ask their help as for the assign the work to you guys. That's another way. You understand now, Fozia?
Can you say it again? I can the sound is
So,
very.
If Faria has a lot of work, right? She can
Yes.
actually break down her work and she can assign to, hey, can you help me guys? Can you guys help me? So all the work will be done and you are actually producing to the your development team. That's another way actually learning by doing or doing the learning.
Okay.
So you just she is the point of contact until the October 31st. But if you do not take the advantage just to follow her, the shadow her, you will lose the big piece of the information.
Okay.
Good. All right. So many things here is as well. You guys can write the user story. I will not say anything. So whoever has the issues to the estimation, work estimation. Work estimation, it's estimating work. Focus on your work. Whoever has the issue with the planning, like I want to plan this. Yeah. Do you have your plan? Like a Monday to Saturday, Sunday to Sunday, what time you do this, when you do this, what do you did today? Do you have this plan?
Yeah, I saw it.
Can you share it with me? So like a whole week, yeah. So I would say, Faria, can you share with me?
I mean, I have the daily routine.
Yeah. So what I was asking you guys, weekly plan. Good. So you can do multiple ways. So let me, what I'm doing, this is the important, if you do not